All right. Hello, everyone. I'm here to talk to you today about Consumer Law 101 for business professionals. This is about why every CRO, that's a credit repair organization, and every professional in the credit space needs this course. Give you some hints. We're going to talk about higher credit scores and more deletions for your clients, industry secrets you must know, potential thousands of dollars in damages to your clients, and maybe even thousands of dollars to you. Make you this bold promise. Consumer Law 101 will lead to higher credit scores and more deletions for your clients. And litigation backed credit repair can 10 to 15x your earnings per consumer. No joke. Again, let me repeat that. Consumer Law 101 will lead to higher credit scores, more deletions, more money. I know the standard life of a consumer credit repair file and the standard average money per consumer. You will make more money this way. All right, so who am I? My name is attorney Aaron Swift. I'm the CEO and managing partner of Swift Law PLLC, our flagship firm in St. Pete, Florida. I'm also the CEO and managing partner of our nationwide consumer protection law firm called Swift Law North, based out of Washington, D.C. I have 15 years experience in this area. I'm an expert in this field. I've been practicing consumer law, suing debt collectors and credit reporting bureaus for 15 years, 8 of which on my own with my own firms. I have filed thousands of these lawsuits, and my success rate is well over 99%. My passion in life is helping the others, especially the little guy, and that is what we're doing here. The most important things you need to know: consumers have rights to fight back against debt collectors, credit bureaus, and even creditors. And critically, there is little to no risk at all because the bad guys, the defendants, must pay the fees and costs of the consumer. Plus, through this course, we teach the fundamentals of so many relevant consumer protection laws to the point where we then actually hire our partners in this space, our credit repair professional partners. We hire them as our contract paralegals while we work together to improve client outcomes and make more money via litigation backed credit repair. All right, so what are some secrets and important info you will learn via this course? You will learn how to improve your clients' credit scores using proven methods. You will no longer feel in over your head when talking about acronyms and citing the laws, and you will no longer rely on false info from false credit prophets or experts that you find online. And no more using bad letters from bad sources. You will learn the secret powers of the FDCPA and the FCRA, the two most fundamental laws in this area, but you will also uncover the basics of other consumer laws like the EFTA, the Electronic Funds Transfer Act, the FCBA, the Fair Credit Billing Act, as well as landlord tenant issues and repos and auto fraud. Plus, we're going to teach you how to get charge offs and repos removed. And lastly, maybe most importantly, each level, each video course level, we'll get into that here in a little bit, comes with lawyer drafted template letters. These are letters that me and my firm have been developing for 15 years. And letters come with each level, levels 1 through 3. And these templates will lead to higher credit scores, more deletions, and again, potential life changing money for your clients and a lot more money for you. Let's talk about the course in a nutshell. Who can benefit? Anyone in the credit space. We're talking credit repair organizations or CROs, credit restoration companies, credit consulting firms, even finance and dealer managers, loan brokers, and real estate agents. If you understand the basics of these laws, you can help your clients get what they need. The course is broken down into 3 video level courses of coursework and then 2 additional levels. Basic level 1, the basics of the FDCPA and FCRA. Advanced level 2, the basics of the EFTA and the FCBA. Pro level 3 are the basics of landlord tenant law, auto fraud, and repossessions. Each of those levels, basic, advanced, pro, 1 through 3, each come with template letters with video descriptions on detailed procedures of how to use them. Next is our Scholar Level 4. Scholar Level 4 is a subscription-based plan. It's $500 regular price per month, and with that, you get weekly, live, 2-hour continuing education webinars, and a 24/7 private chat hotline with all of our partners that is monitored by SLN attorneys. Then level 5, the Cadillac, our Scholar level 5 is a private one-on-one retainer chat with Swift Law North attorneys. That's like having your own attorney in your pocket at all times for the fraction of the cost it would take for a standard monthly retainer. Importantly, each level comes with the information, videos, and content of the level before it. So if you buy level 3, you get all the content at levels 2 and 1, so on and so forth. And I'm going to talk about this a little bit more, but to qualify as a CAP, which we call our Contract Affiliate Paralegals, our partners must attend and complete the video coursework through Pro Level 3 and subscribe to at least Scholar Level 4. And I'll get into that a little bit later. Okay, so let's talk about your biggest questions and objections. We hear these all the time. Number 1, sending cases to law firms is hard to do and never ends well. That is false. First of all, we have heard your complaints about previous relationships and efforts to work with attorneys. We're trying to fix those problems. We have perfected a streamlined intake process. And you, as our partner, as a CAP, you have full access and transparency to know exactly where a file is at all times through litigation. Number 2, we hear this all the time. I know enough about this industry. I've been doing it for 20 years. Why do I need this course? Well, in my humble opinion, credit repair is the practice of law, because ultimately the decisions about what can and should be on a credit report, what should be modified or deleted after a dispute, those are legal decisions based on legal interpretations of facts and law. So in my humble opinion, if you're not working with a lawyer, you are risking the unauthorized practice of law. Because again, fundamentally, this is a legal process built on federal legal laws. And so why not work with a nationwide law firm to better serve your clients? Objection number 3, or question, why must I subscribe and pay you monthly to send you consumers? Listen, I get it. We are trying to create a system that is ethical, that works, and that makes everyone more money. To ethically pay our partners as our paralegals at the amounts we do, which is a lot, we must hire you first as our paralegal. So instead of going through an expensive paralegal program, we offer these videos with the basic coursework, and then the monthly subscription that covers your continuing education credits, plus access to 24/7 group chat. So again, working with us is the best way. It's the only way to have litigation-backed credit repair with lawyers in your backing. And the money you're going to make through this program will dwarf that monthly subscription fee. I guarantee it. And then lastly, we hear, listen, I can make more money without a lawyer's backing. That is nonsense and false. First of all, if you're able to make more money without litigation, that means you're not doing it legally. That means you're breaking the law of CROA and you're charging more than you should be up front. We want to create a better system. We're trying to disrupt this industry. Again, I can promise you, you will make more money via litigation-backed credit repair. Your clients will have better outcomes. You will get higher credit scores, more deletions, better reviews, more clients, and you will make more money. Again, please, if you want more information, learn about our courses. We also have a consumer course that's a little more dumbed down and watered down for consumers. But again, we want to educate you. The more education, the more informed decisions, the more money, the better client outcomes. For more information, visit consumerlaw101.com. And for litigation information, visit www.swiftlawnorth.com. Thank you.